maybe na this one na Davido dey think say last dem go still drag am enter inside this hush puppy matter. Maybe this one na one of the reason when e make am e suffer sack Israel comot inside e gang, my people. Make e no come put himself for wetin e no know one e no know two. My correct people, how we dey talk am now, we dey hear am now, dem say Okojala, that is, e don finally happen, my people. No be small matter o, the matter don wear akpola shoe. Before I go dey tell una wetin dey shele for here, my correct people, make I throway salute for all of una. Hello my correct people, you are welcome back again to my YouTube channel. Yes, I'm back again with another ogbonge gist. My name na Lady G. In case today na your first time when you dey come across my channel and you never subscribe, abeg make you no forget to subscribe and just hit the notification bell so that anytime when I throway ogbonge gist like this, you no go fit dey miss am. 3-in-1 video na im be this. Yes, so we come dey get amebo from amebo quarter. See, some things dey shele right now. See, they don drag Davido gang sef when e dey follow am. They don dey drag dem enter inside this hush puppy wahala. No be small thing o. My correct pipo, una know say inside yesterday e get one video when I first drop. I come make una dey understand say Davido don suspend this personal assistant, that is logistic manager, wey they call Israel DMW. That na the news when we hear right now. My correct pipo, Davido don dey confirm am. Now when this Israel go shook mouth for wetin no concern am, when e concern hush puppy, yes my people, the thing no go down well with Davido. The thing no sweet in mind at all. Be say e na American citizen na im be. Yes my people, before Davido come finally talk say he don sack this Israel, now he don confirm am. I dey drop the screenshot for una make una see the conversation when Davido with a personal lawyer, when dem take talk, when e come make everybody know say yes, Davido don really sack this guy, don confirm am. Yes, and una know say this lawyer dey follow Davido, dey go anywhere when Davido dey go. Anything wey Davido dey do, e dey there with am. Even go reach the time when be say Davido sef go do introduction, the lawyer still follow am go there. Yes, before Davido come sack this Israel finally, the first thing when he do, immediately he see am say Israel go shook mouth for wetin no concern am. Davido first quick he unfollow am. I dey drop the screenshot for that one I dey see. So Davido unfollow am immediately. That one come first dey ground. Before that one, Davido come write letter in the sense that say he don suspend am for now till further notice. Say he and the gang no get anything to do with this Israel. My correct pipo, now when this same lawyer, and I know say without this lawyer Davido no dey drink water. Now he come dey make us dey confirm and say yes, all these things say na true, in the sense that this lawyer writes some messages to Davido. Say he get some letter when Davido need to sign and everything. Then it come happens to be say Davido himself come reply, come talk say if e no be sack letter, he no dey reply any letter. The only letter when he really dey interested, when he wan reply right now with the mood when he dey, say na only the sack letter. That is the one when he consign this Israel. So my people, now go see and say the matter don go far. Even the lawyer sef come dey try dey cool Davido mind down, come dey beg am, my people. So that one take happen for there. So since when this matter come up now, e be like say their mind sef e no reach ground. Why? Because una know say most of all these people, all of them don waka with hush puppy. They don chop with am, they don drink with am, and we don't even know wetin still happen behind closed doors. We can't say yes, because if not, the way all these people dey fear, e be like say their hands sef not clean. So right now this person now, when they follow Davido, this one I dey see, so whether na so be name, my correct people, we dey get information from the reliable source from amebo headquarter, when they call QT, which I dey drop the screenshot for am make una see am. So according to this ogbonge blogger, when he carry the news, na if come broke am, e come make us dey understand say this one na 100% sure. This kind news when he carry come, so say this so now say they don dey after am, especially those ones be say they dey for Nigeria, they call EFCC. Say they don carry and follow body sef, they don dey go ask am different questions, because e still get wetin connect am with this hush puppy, my correct people. So now go see and say the matter dey long. Na only God na go know how this matter go take end last, because the way I dey look at he ready to carry plenty people follow body, say he is not going alone. So my correct people, how na see am, how na think am? So this one come dey make me dey wonder say this na the thing when he make Davido first just quickly cut this Israel comot for body, because when e see say e don dey go beyond the boundary, e come quick cut am comot for body. My correct pipo, as things dey be now, we dey hear say Davido don get the way e take dey suffer, dey do e things now. E be like say every mala with e own kettle. Make I leave una, make una throway una for the comment section how una see am, how una think am. Make I bounce to the other side of the gist. Yes, my people, this one dey concern Tonto Dike. Yes, so they come throway this picture for inside her handle today when e be say na Sunday. E come take her dey celebrate herself and her new family. My people, as she write am, e come talk say the family is now complete. Say if una see the picture of before and after, that one at the time wey be say only she one dey with her son, but now his son don get papa automatically, and she sef don get husband join am. Say now the family complete. A lot of people no agree with wetin this Tonto Dike write follow am, or wetin e dey talk, because since when Tonto Dike dey flaunt this in new family, a lot of people dey talk say yes, even though say they like Tonto Dike, but Tonto Dike no get right to take another person dey replace e pikin papa. My people, if I may ask, because I dey see the comment section wetin people dey talk each time when e be say Tonto Dike dey celebrate this new man and the pikin, people dey talk say e no do am well, this pikin still get papa o. Pikin get papa, but e be like say e no get papa. Make una think am the way me I dey think am sef. Wetin me I dey think, wetin me I dey reason, my correct people, say the person when e born this pikin wey dem dey call Choshi, number one question wey me I wan ask, e no get another pikin? Na this Andre na be first pikin? And this Choshi, e don first marry before, e get another pikin, guys, get girl pikin. How come we no dey hear of that one? Abi na because say Tonto Dike na celebrity? And apart from that one, say e no dey shook mouth for those one matter. E be like say those one sef e no dey exist. E no dey talk of those one. Na only Tonto Dike and this pikin na people dey talk say e get papa. Why we no dey hear from the other one? And apart from that one, they talk say my people use am make parable. Say they talk say you dey boil medicine for fire for craze person. You don ask the craze person when you dey boil that medicine for whether e go even gree drink at all. This church wey be say many people sef na e dey fight for, and dey talk say Tonto Dike no do am well, why go dey flaunt another man like say na e pikin papa wey be say papa still dey for alive. Una don see where she don come out one day dey drag, or since when this news wey be say Tonto Dike dey flaunt this man up and down in new family, say she don talk anything, don shook mouth put say this one na e pikin, no man get right to go replace my pikin for his school, no man get right to go replace my pikin, you know. Una don see where she dey talk. Probably Chochi sef don wash hand comot, because when I make one video I tell una say Chochi sef dey celebrate the pikin when Roseline born for am, and e come dey be like say dey take am dey compare dem say God don replace wetin he lost. So una go see am say Chochi sef e no dey talk for the matter. That mean say e no really send. Na that one make me make that parable say una dey cook medicine for craze person, una don ask am whether e go gree drink. Chochi no cry come out. So my people, make una know the way una go take dey fight for the Chochi, because the Chochi sef, me I no believe say e really too send. So my people, make I leave this one for inside though. Make I leave this one for this side though. Make una throw una own comment below at the comment section how una think am, how una see am. Yes, my correct people, I go leave una for here. Make I bounce to the last gist when dey inside this one. This one come dey concern Nollywood actress wey they call Funke Akindele. My people, she can't share her life story when be say when I see am, the thing touch a lot of people. I can't say I still need to share am for now. Make una self still listen, because everything I person they get sense for this world. Everything I person they collect sense for this life. Yes, so una see this Funke the way they shine now. In talk say from the beginning, not like this e be. Now they see the picture when I they drop before and after now. She talk say from the beginning where her life starts, not the one that they see and so not be so she be. Say she see Pepe, you know what they call Pepe. She see him for her first husband hand. A lot of people don't know say this Funke don't first marry. Yes, she don't first marry. Some people know, but some people don't know. In case of when don't know how they talk and so. Say she first married, for her first marriage, she see what they call, you know what they call wire. The husband take it, I see double, not be small. She talks say wetin she see for inside that man. They say this is husband, apart from say they pan a bit, he say he can't still get mouth when he be say he know how to jab you. He go jab you so te self, you go want even buy yourself. He say that one at the thing when he say they collect for your husband hand day and night. Pikin self, he no come join. And I know say this Funke, he suffer before pikin come last. He say pikin self, he no join. Yabi upon yabi. The husband go dey call am different name, they tell am many things. When he be say the thing come dey ring for a brain, tell am say she no go fit make am for life. She no be this, she no be this. Take her past, her present, take and wash am for ground. My people, sote she talk say the thing come dey affect am. Even for work she no fit concentrate. As if say that one no dey enough, that is same husband come still talk say if she no take time, that is she no arrange herself, say she him wey be the husband, he go yab am sotey e go even come im working place tell all im colleagues wetin she no be, say na im be. With that one the thing go affect her profession. Hey, my people, person dey pray make e no jam enemy wey dem dey call husband. That is what she say she went through for her first marriage. He say one day, as if say he no even fit get courage to talk, say to even waka comot for inside the marriage, because he no even know where he go start from. But the thing come dey affect am. He say na one day when he be say him dey for work, na him husband just call am for phone call. I know say all these actresses dem fit comot for 2 weeks 3 weeks or so, no, they'll go location go dey shoot movie. He say na for inside there na the man just call and tell am say the marriage is over. My people, she talk say na only God na him help am how she take see health for inside that something. He said the something come affect her in the sense that she come dey depressed. Different thing come dey disturb am. Say the something really reduce even him work sef, because he no come fit dey concentrate. And many people sef no even come wan dey take am. That is, they choose am to come work for them because of the way she come take dey do something. My people, he talk say God dey really answer person prayer. Wetin make am she dey talk all those things? He say e be like testimony to am in the sense that he need to make people understand. People when they think say if one way close, dem go think say this life don finish. Say no be so, in the sense that God maybe dey prepare something special for you. He say na God come direct and come meet this him new husband. I know this him new husband that they call Bello. My people, he say na there he come know say yes, husband then when he be say he know how to pamper woman, when he know how to respect woman. Now this is husband hand. So this new one, now she for come dey experience am. He said now God come still add join, I come bless am with 2 fine boys, that is twins. Now know say they don't talk am for many places. Even he get that time sef when different prophet they come, they go dey tell say this Funke he no go fit born, he no go fit see pikin until say he marry pastor. We hear different news that time before it come be say last God come prove of them wrong. Yes, my couple, this one na wetin she go through, and she say she feel like sharing it with the public so that other people when e be say dem dey go through the same situation when she first go through, say they go know say God fit turn anything around. Yes, my couple, the story about this her life, the thing really touched me. Me sef, I still get plenty thing when I still pick for inside, and I know so now sef when you still listen to now, still get wetin I go still learn for inside. Yes, my couple, I want make una throw una comment below at the comment section how una see and how una think am. I go leave una for here today, my couple. I go see you very soon for my next video when I go to take from now. I beg, if you be say today na your first time when you come across my channel and you like my video and you never subscribe, I beg make you not forget to subscribe and click the notification bell so that anytime when I throw away ogbonge gist like this, you know if they miss am. And now when be my returning subscribers, God go bless una for me. I appreciate una so much. I go see you very soon for my next video. Have a blessed day. Bye bye.